Hello, this is Marcus back with another quick QuickBooks video. Today we're just going to talk about how to enter in customers. So the way to enter in customers is you're going to go to sales right here and you're going to go to customers. Now, if you need to import customers, let's say you're coming from a different software other than QuickBooks. Let's just say it's, I don't know, Xero or whatever. And you already have a list of customers you need to import. You'll just click on the drop down arrow here and you'll go to import customers. And then you'll just download the sample file and you'll fill in the information and then you'll just upload that onto here. And then it's going to import all that stuff, all your customers in. You want to do it that way if you have a whole bunch of them you want to import. But for this video, we're just talking about if we just need to enter in one customer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to new customer. And then we're just going to type in a name. We're going to type in Joseph Ramsey. And then, you can enter in this other stuff, the title, the company name, the email, the phone number, the fax, the website, the billing address, all that stuff. And then after that, you'll just go to save. And there you have it. That's how you enter in a customer in QuickBooks. Very easy, not painful at all. Just remember, go to Sales, and then you'll be on the Overview tab, and then you'll just go to New Customer. Sorry, I mean not the Overview tab, the Customers tab. And then you just go to New Customer if you're entering one, and if you're bringing in a lot of them, you'll just go to Import Customers. So I really hope you found value in this video. If you did, please subscribe. I'm going to be making a lot of QuickBooks videos. After watching all my videos, you will be a QuickBooks expert. You'll be able to do just about anything you can in QuickBooks and anything you need to do, whether it's running certain reports, paying bills, receiving payments, all that stuff. So just stay tuned in.